Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to run Facebook ads that actually convert in 2025. So whether you are promoting the products, services or a personal brand, this walkthrough will help you create the ads that bring real results and not wasted clicks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on adsmanager.facebook.com. You can just simply search for facebook.com/adsmanager in order to open your Meta Business Suite. Over here, by default, if you are on the home page of Meta Business Suites, you just have to hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of campaigns. Over here in the campaigns, you will see the option of create. So click on the option of create first. Then it is going to ask you to choose the campaign objective. So you can select why do you want to basically use this campaign. You can also choose the option of buying type. So it can be auction or it can be for reservation. So after selecting this option, you just have to simply press continue here in the bottom. Now it is going to show you some of the recommended settings, so you can simply click on it and all of the basic settings which are basically recommended by Facebook Meta Business Suites will be added on your campaign. But you can also select the option of manual engagement campaign and select the settings as per your need. So this will be very convenient for you. So if you select it, simply press continue here in the bottom. Now your campaign will be created. In your campaign, you will have to now provide some of the details, like you can click on the option of see all the preset settings and take a look at what are some of the personalized settings it has added. After that, in the campaign name, simply add the campaign name, or you can create a template which you can basically use every time you create a new campaign. Then we have the option of campaign budget. So select it, select whether you want it to be a daily budget or a lifetime budget. After that, simply enter the amount of your daily budget. Then you just have to scroll down and select the option of A/B test. So this is going to help you improve the ad related performance. So if you want to enable it, simply select it, then select some of the options which are available here. After that, you can select the categories specifically for the ads. So if your ads or if your business comes in any of these categories, you can select it, then press next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, simply select the option of your platform. So it can be Facebook by default, Messenger. Then we have the option of Instagram and WhatsApp. After selecting it, simply select cost per result goal, and you can also create the rules if you want. Now, once you are done filling out this particular section as well, simply click on the option of next here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, after adding these things, like you just have to scroll down and select the option of tracking and events related details and click on the option of publish. So as soon as you click on the option of publish, your ad will be placed and now you will be able to run the ads which is going to convert for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.